Hello, welcome to my channel. Happy Saturday. Today we're going to do a quick pull from the Sun Tzu Art of War Oracle deck for a quick word to wisdom. Now let's get cleansed. Palo Santo wood from Peru. There it is. Smells so amazing. This area be cleansed, and may anyone tuning in receive this message sooner than later that is meant to receive this message. Thank you, universe. This area is cleansed. Let's get started. Do about 5 shuffles, and then 1 or 2 pick on my own. Okay, nothing came out. Pick your battles. As in war, so in family life, some battles or arguments cannot be won. All families argue, whether it's parents arguing with each other, parents with children, or siblings with each other. Communication is key in establishing boundaries. If you have to argue, don't lose your temper. Be rational and deliberate. But remember, sometimes it is more important to move on. Quote by Sun Tzu said, "He will win who knows when to fight and when not to fight." Wow. I definitely think that's definitely important in any situation for the collective. I would say that just in your everyday, day-to-day, just see what is truly important, and in regards to things needing to be talked about, if you feel it's something that's not really a big deal, perhaps just, look the other way and move on. And most importantly, give yourself the time to sit and, analyze and think of your feelings and emotions, things that come up, if something were to come up, and choose from there what you think is the best way to approach it, whether you bring something up to, whether it be through a family, a partner or something, or just decide to let it be and allow the universe to work the way things are meant to work. So anyways, hope it's been helpful. Have an awesome day, Wolfpack friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.